international vessels, but they keep attacking Israel. What Trump will do?
Let's turn to Sudan, where the de facto capital has come under attack by paramilitary forces for a fourth consecutive day. The Sudanese army claims to have repelled a drone attack on the country's largest naval base. Although drones have struck the city since Sunday, hitting the main port, the main power station and the country's last functioning international airport. Portsudan on the Red Sea had previously been a safe haven, hosting hundreds of thousands of displaced people and also international aid organisations' headquarters. Sudan has now cut ties with the UAE, accusing it of sponsoring the Rapid Support Forces, which it holds responsible for the drone strikes. Well, for the latest on this, Momin Al-Maki joins us from Port Sudan. So, Momin, first of all, just bring us up to date with the damage that has been done by this fourth day of attacks.
Yes, the situation here in Port Sudan is still intense. For the fourth day in a row, RSF drones has attacked the administrative capital. In the past 2 hours alone, RSF has attacked 3 cities, Port Sudan, Sawakin and Kasala. Here in Port Sudan, RSF drones has attacked the naval base, Flamingo military base, along with attacking Osman Digna seaport in Sawakin and attacking also Kasala airport in Kasala city. So far, the Sudanese army was able successfully to repel all these attacks and shoot down the RSF suicide drones. Today, it seems that the Sudanese army is ready, unlike the past days where the RSF drones were flying in the sky of Sudan freely. But today, it seems that the security measures which has been taken in the past few hours, right now, we are seeing it is a result on the ground. Yesterday, the Sudanese army and the Council of Defense meeting has put new security measures here in the city, including the spread of anti-craft cells, along with banning the street vendors and also prohibiting media here in Port Sudan from live broadcasting. All these measurements, along with tightening the security measurement, it seems that has resulted in today repelling all these attacks.
Momin, thank you for bringing us up to date. Momin Al-Maki there in Port Sudan. Well, we'll take you live now to New Delhi, where India's Ministry of Defence is giving a media briefing following these overnight attacks.